Do you want to download a copy of each photo you have shared to your Instagram account without any problem? Hey, what's up guys, this is Binay here. Welcome back to Aone Speech YouTube channel. Once again I back with another episode of awesome content. Watch this video tutorial to learn how to download your Instagram each photo at once. This time is the month for October. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram application and go to your profile interface. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Setting. Now tap Security option. Then select Download Data. Type in your email address. Tap Request Download option. To confirm, enter your Instagram password and tap Next. Within 48 hours, Instagram will email you will all of your data including photo and profile information. That's all of your photo safekeeping. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like and share button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for another upcoming video. Thank you for once again.